Nestled in a small neighborhood abundant with trees and wildlife near historic Branson, Missouri, this land has a lot to offer. This all-wooded lot with virgin timber is perfect to build your dream home and conducive to lots of different styles and floor plans. With 1.37 acres you have room to roam and just minutes to Lake TanyCoMo and Table Rock Lake for boating, swimming and fishing. Build your vacation getaway or live here full-time and enjoy all 4 seasons. Just a few miles from the famous Branson Landing and Highway 76 shopping, restaurants, and attractions. Want more land? Check out the lot beside with 1.16 acres on MLS /_buy one or both, you choose.